America, over 95% of people are not financially free. Only 1% of Americans are millionaires. This is a big problem in today's society, and people are wanting to make more and more money online and wanting to stay home and not work a job. Technology is advancing, and a lot of jobs are going to get replaced in the near future by technology and even robots. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make passive income and how you can quit your job by doing this simple method of investing your money. I was 19 years old when I quit my job, and I have not went back, and I have been financially free ever since. And I'm going to be showing you how you can do the same thing and become financially free and not have to worry about a 9-to-5 or a boss bossing you around. So about 3 years ago, me and my family have discovered this company called Novitec. Novitec is a crypto trading investment platform that you pretty much initially stake your money, let's say anywhere from over $100 to $100,000 that you could put an initial investment on. You put this investment in a trading account, and in return, Novitec will pay you a compound interest of 3% a week. Now, this 3% compound interest is an average of 3%. Some weeks we make more, some weeks we make 4%, and some weeks they are low weeks that we make 2%. But in 4 years that Novitec has been around, there has not been a missed payout, and there are no losing weeks. So we're going to stop doing all the talking. We're going to hop right into the laptop, and I'm going to show you how you can make money on Novitec and my earnings that I have made in the last 2 years, and how this crypto platform could literally change your life. Before we hop into this video, make sure you guys check out the Patreon link in the description, where we have online courses, step-by-step tutorials on any niche that you need to start your online business, how to make money easy online, how to boost your credit fast, and even how to start your trucking business. And if you still have questions, you can reach out to me on the coaching call link and the Calendly link in the description. You can reach out to me one-on-one for a 10 to 30-minute phone call for $10. But with all that being said, man, let's hop straight into this desktop, and I'm going to show you how Novitec works so that you can make passive income and eventually quit your job. So we are on the desktop, guys, and I'm going to be showing you how you can make $1,000 a week, or even $1,000 a month, all the way up to $20,000 a month, guys, by doing absolutely no work at all. So you want to go to Novitec, guys. You want to go to Novitec platform. This is the link right here, and this is the home page, and everything you want to know, all the information is right here. So guys, once you sign up for your Novitec account, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is input a username, password, address, information, and set up a PIN number. And this PIN is very important because this is what you're going to use every week when you want to withdraw your money. So guys, the way Novitec works is you would go right over here to funding, and you will press upgrade account so that you could add money into your crypto account. Once you go to upgrade your account, you want to put in the dollar amount in the tab right here. You want to press add fund. You want to go here to coin payments so that you can deposit money into your Novitec account. Once you go to coin payments, you will see that it says Bitcoin. You need to make sure it's on Bitcoin unless you want to send other cryptocurrencies, but Bitcoin is the best one. You want to just make sure you check all these boxes below and validate, guys. Once you validate, you are going to see that you can upgrade your account, and you will press the confirm, and pretty much it'll take you to a screen, this blue screen right here on the coin payments website, and you will see a QR code or your Novitec wallet address. This wallet address is only eligible for 24 hours due to security reasons, so nobody can backtrack your wallet addresses. What you want to do, guys, is you want to go to your crypto account. You want to go to your crypto wallet via Coinbase, blockchain, Gemini, FTX, whichever whom you choose. You want to go to that crypto account. You want to make yourself a wallet. You want to connect your bank account, and by this crypto wallet you can withdraw and deposit to that crypto wallet, and from the crypto wallet you can send to Novitec, and also this is where you're gonna be getting your money from Novitec. You can also use Cash App for a crypto wallet, but you can't receive money from Novitec to Cash App. the Cash App is more so for this QR code. All you have to do is put your phone up to it and it'll instantly take you to Cash App. Alright, so this is how you deposit money into your Novitec account to get it started. Now I'm gonna show you how to compound your money. When you want to compound your money, it is the same steps. You just want to go to where you see the same thing, upgrade account. You want to put in your dollar amount and you want to make sure e-wallets is checked. You want to put in your PIN and you want to submit as followed. And once you submit, your money will be compounded. The money that you made that Friday will now be getting compounded. So if you put in $1,000 and you made $30 on Friday, now the next Friday you will make 3% off of $1,030. So you'll make about $35 or even $40 depending on how good that week is and interest. Novitec also has an auto transfer option. On this auto transfer option, you have the option to pretty much get your compound interest on automatic mode, so you don't have to manually compound it like I just showed you in the previous clip. Once you set up this auto transfer option, you won't have to worry about compounding again, and you can pretty much have your money stacking up for you by absolutely doing no work, not touching the website at all. Once you log into your account, 3 months later, you will see that you're up $1,000 and or up by thousands of dollars. So now I'm gonna be showing you about how much money I have made off of Novitec with about how much I have invested into Novitec. So as you can see right here, we have went to the e-wallet tab, and guys, this is pretty much all your receipts. It'll keep all your records, and it's pretty much your bank statements. If you wanted to buy a house, guys, these statements will be eligible as long as you're making frequent deposits into your bank account, because this is the amount of money that I started out with, guys. And you can see what I started out with and what I was making. I was making about $30 a week, you know, off of $800, $1,000 that I invested, making about $30 a week. Then as I put in a little bit more and compounded more, it's making about $60 a week. And if we go up here, guys, when I put in a big sum of money, I think I put in about $10,000 right here. And now you can see that we're making $500, $600 a week. As you can see, it's an average of 3%. So this week we only made $340. But you know, it's free money, so you can't be mad when some weeks we make 2.2%, you know, because some weeks you're gonna make 4.1% and it's gonna average out to that 3% a week. See right here, guys, as we go up, you can see that we're still making $500, $400, $400, $500. And then we put in some extra money, we get $800 right here. And as you can see, we put in extra money, and now we're making $1,000 a week, $900 a week, and $800 a week, guys. So this shows you that this method absolutely works, and that I have been able to quit my job making $1,000 a week off of this trading platform, and that you can too. Now, if you want to learn how to put this method on steroids, and if you don't have that much money to invest, what you can do, an option that you can do, is use your credit. You can use your credit to get you a small personal loan, anywhere from $5,000 to even $20,000. And just think, if you get a $20,000 loan, banks like to see that you want to get a longer loan statement period, so that they could get more interest off of you. But in this case, this is better for you, because if you get a $15,000 loan and you pick the 4-year or even 5-year option, your payments are going to be around $300 a month. This $300 a month payment on that loan is just once a month, but you're going to be making $300 in just half a week off of Novitec. So you would just have to withdraw 1 week out of the month, and you will be making that loan money and no problem, and some extra money on the side just by withdrawing once a month. And just make sure you guys keep compounding so that you can stack this money up, and that it'll keep stacking on top of each other, so that you will eventually be making some big money. Now I'm going to show you guys the interest calculator and what type of money you could be making depending on your initial investment. So if you go to the calculatorsite.com, you can get this interesting calculator. Go to the compound interest section, and then you would type in, let's start off with, let's say $5,000 for the average user, because I know that most of us probably don't have $5,000 saved up, but if you do, it's better to put $5,000 in your Novitec account than to have it in a regular bank account sitting, making you probably 2 cents a month. You could be making at least $100 a month with putting that into Novitec. So let's just see what that'll make you. You have $5,000 at an interest rate of 3% weekly, and let's just put 1 year, guys, which is 12 months, and then we're gonna put weekly compound interval, and in just 12 months, guys, you will be making $18,000 in free money, and that $18,000 will turn your $5,000 investment into $23,000. So now let's put in a bigger number, and if you get that $15,000 loan, guys, like I said, your monthly payment will be $300, but let's just look at it right here. You see that in 1 year you'll make $54,000, and the monthly breakdown is around $2,000 on your first month alone, guys. So as you can see, you're making that $300 in less than half a week, and this is a guaranteed certified method. You see it here on the calculator, the type of money that you can be making, and it's definitely possible. I've done it, and if I did it, you can too. I was 19 when I quit my job. I've been financially free ever since. And whatever passion you have, guys, I hope you try to reach your goals and try to pursue it. Don't let a job hold you back, because a job takes almost half of your life's time. And by the time you want to retire, you're still going to be broke. Just try to make your money work for you. That's what the rich are doing, and that's how the rich get richer. You invest your money makes you more money, and you're just sitting and you're chilling. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to learn more about Novitec, I have recent videos on my channel right here. Please make sure you guys go check that out for step-by-step tutorials, how to get your account set up, how to process a withdrawal, and how to connect your crypto wallet, because that's the most important part of it all. You need that crypto wallet on your Novitec account so that you could get your withdrawals to your bank account, guys. I'm also going to be making update videos for you guys on this Novitec platform. I've been veering off from it for a while. I've been focusing on the trucking videos. But this is Black Investors Group, where we make investing easy. So I'm going to be coming at you with more ways on how to make money online. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like this video. Give it a big thumbs up so it can get pushed out to many others, and so many others can make money online the easy way. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn those post notifications on. This is Black Investors Group. Until tomorrow, we out. Woo!
You talking money